Out-of-balance loads can cause your washer to shudder or make noise. This can be caused by improperly loading the washer or tangling and shifting of items during normal operation. A high-efficiency top-load washer can assist in detecting and correcting out-of-balance loads. Out-of-balance loads occur during spin cycles. When the washer detects an out-of-balance load, the estimated time remaining for the cycle stops and the code UL appears. The washer will redistribute the load through a series of fills and basket movements, then restart the spin cycle. This process can take up to 6 or 7 minutes and will result in a longer cycle time than was originally estimated. Please note, since the washer clock stops until the problem is resolved, the original clock estimate will remain unchanged during this process. If the washer stops and the error code continues with the wash cycle dial flashing, open the lid and redistribute the load manually. Close the lid and press Start to continue the wash. To help keep the load balanced, try mixing different load items to reduce tangling. However, in the case of sheets, wash only sheets together using the sheets cycle. Put in loose heaps of garments evenly around the basket wall. Select the correct cycle for the load being washed. The appearance of your washer console may vary from that of the one shown in this example.
Please subscribe to our channel. We upload videos every week to help you with your appliances. And please remember to always use your use and care guide.